How to change your username in Zoomerang. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon, and here there's a section of Edit Profile. Tap on Edit Profile. So basically, this is the place where you can customize and make different edits in your profile. On the top, there's a section of your username. Simply tap on it, and now you can easily edit it. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize. At last, here on the right top, tap on Save, and you're all set to go. So the username is completely changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.